Hi, I will show you how to add a test or a quiz in the Moodle platform. So I'm in the course page of Moodle platform now. What I have to do first is I can see the various classrooms here. So I know after this I have to add a particular test. So what I will do, I have to press this button, turn editing on. Alright, now we can edit each and everything in this particular page, but we won't touch on anything. Instead, there is a topic 4 that I'm going to rename as uh, first sessional examination. Sorry, I didn't save it. First sessional examination. I'm pressing enter, so it will be saved. Now you have to add an activity or resource here. I'm adding an activity. Here, if you want to find the activities, you can go to activity menu, or everything is available here. Activity menu, there is quiz. I'm adding this. Yeah, so this is the quiz menu opened. Again, the name is first sessional examination. In the description, I'm giving the some details like number of questions, 30, time duration is going to be 30 minutes. I'm going to click over this, display it on the course page. Right. So other settings I'm not going to touch now. I'll save this and then I'll add the questions. Further we will see about the other settings. So save and return to course. Now you can see that quiz has come over here. There are edit options and all those things. So I'm clicking on the quiz now. So it shows first sessional examination, grading method, everything, but there are no questions being added yet. So I'm going to this button, action menu, and I'm going to give this edit quiz. Yes, another page came. Here there is an option to add. So add a new question, add from question bank, add a random question, everything is there. So I'm going to select from question bank because we have the questions in bank already. So here you take care of to select the master menu so that you will get all the questions. If you select units, only those units will be shown. So here in unit 5 only 12 questions are there, remaining are in general category 20 questions. So I'm selecting this. Total number of questions are not shown here, but when I'm clicking here it shows only 20 questions. So here it says total 32. There are 32 questions. What I'm going to do is we need only 30 questions for the exam, so I'm selecting all questions. Then from the list I'm going to delete 2 questions or uncheck 2 questions. So now it is 30. Add selected questions to the quiz. I'm clicking this. Yes, now all the questions have come to the quiz. It is showing questions 30 and this quiz is open. So this should not be open now. It should be open only at the time of exam. I will see how to control all these things. I am giving an option of shuffling here. so that the questions will get shuffled whenever applicable. For each student, they will be getting it in different ways. And what is the maximum grade? Can be 30. Because of 30 questions, I'm saving it. That's done. So all the 30 questions are shown here. All right. Now what will we will have to do is, there is nothing to save over here other than this. Directly you can go back to the quiz option. Yes. Now this page, it shows number of questions 30 that all we had already included. There is a preview quiz option. You have to go to preview and check whether the questions have come out properly. If there is an error, it will say the question is missing or any answer is missing, you can identify. So just go to the preview mode and find whether all the 30 questions are showing and whether they are proper. So I can just skip like next page. It's not loading maybe. Yeah, it's loading now. Yes, it shows the next question. Everything is fine. Yes, it looks fine. So like this, you will have to go through all the questions once to make sure that there are no mistakes. So once you're done with the preview, you can always go back to the menu here to make the remaining settings, or you can go one step behind also, not a problem. So here also you can do the settings. See, this makes it is visible to the students or not visible, right? Or grouping and all. So I'm not going to change it, let it be in the same way. I'm clicking here, giving edit setting. Now again the settings of the quiz has come. Here we will give the timing. So this here when the quiz should open, when it should close. So the exam is on 16th. So I'm going to enable both and I'm going to give the date 16th June. Closing is also on the 16th June and the timing is 3:30 p.m. that is 15:30 and the closing time is 16 sorry, it's 16. Half an hour, and time limit is again half an hour, so I'm going to give them 30 minutes here. And this settings and all we are not going to change, let it be the same. Grade as not very necessary, but we can mention pass grade is 50. Total grade was 30, right? Pass is 50. Okay. We are not going to change layout. Now in one page, one question only will be shown. That is fine. And question behavior. Question behavior is shuffle within the questions. Let it be. We are not going to change it. Review options. Here you will have to adjust some things because students should not see whether the answer is right or wrong when they mark it. So we will delete these things, right answer, specific feedback, and whether it is correct or not. We are not going to give it there. And here also later while the quiz is open also they need not to see those things. Once the quiz is closed, yeah, let them watch everything. not a problem. So but when it is open, better they need not to see these things. General feedback, if you are giving, it is okay, otherwise it's fine, we can remove it. uh, so this is what they should see only during the quiz is open. And yes, now there are no other edits required. Yeah, one thing I forgot. In the grade part, there is number of attempts allowed. It's unlimited by default. You have to make it one, only one attempt. They cannot take the test again. So I will save and return to the course. So now this will be visible to the students, but it will not be open. Students can now get the quiz open only at the time of examination. So this is fine. Even if you don't want them to see this, you can hide the topic completely from the students, and that time you can open it. Alright, that option is also there. So anyway, it is set up, ready for the exam. That's it. Thank you.